Good day everyone. I thought I'd do a unboxing of my latest purchase. It is a seat post dropper. So with this dropper, the button is actually activated via a button over here on the seat post. So let's open it up and let's have a look. So here it is. Bear with me, I'm doing this one hand. Ooh, it's very oily. And there she is. Wow. Very solid. So there's the mount for the seat. And obviously you've got, so it's a bit oily. So you've got this button here. So this is a 100mm drop. I'll show you what it looks like once I put it on my bike. All right, so here it is installed on my Trek Marlin 8. So here's my Trek. I'll give you a quick little tour of it. So I've just put a mud guard, I've changed the grips, got a phone mount, changed the pedals, so just your usual sort of mods, nothing too extreme. So here it is on the Marlin 8. So how it works is pretty straightforward. If I want to bring it down, just pull the lever up. And obviously when you're seated on it, it's a lot easier. So, and that's 100mm of travel. And to bring it up, you sort of just stand up, like lift your bum when you're on the bike and press the button and she's up. So the beauty of this is I don't need to run a cable because of this bike. It doesn't have a internal cable routing for the internal dropper post, and I don't have to run an external cable out the back of the seat post. So it keeps everything nice and clean. And look at my cockpit. There's no more levers. I've only got basically one lever and the bell, obviously. But yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Highly recommend. I've done probably about two or 3 hours of riding so far, and it's been perfect. It's been great. The good thing about a dropper post is you can do little micro adjustments, you know what I mean? So you're riding along and you want the seat to be a little bit lower, just so you've got a bit more control, or you want it to be really high. You can do all that kind of stuff with a dropper post on the fly. So that's the benefit, and obviously there are other benefits. So yeah, let me know what you think. And there she is installed. Thank you for watching.